Hi, welcome to Hillstowe by AVID Property Group. My name is Ruwen Moodley, Assistant Development Manager here at Hillstowe. Today I'm going to take you through all the development news and construction update of our growing community here at Hillstowe. Hillstowe is an intimate 225 lot community within Melbourne's thriving southeast growth corridor. Hillstowe is positioned close to everything you need, including public transport, shopping and entertainment, parks and recreation, and multiple education options. Our community is set to welcome 600 residents upon completion in 2023. I'm on Albert Street in Stage 1, where the very first homes were built within our community. Residents have begun moving into Stage 1 already, and we look forward to welcoming even more homeowners prior to Christmas. There's also a lot happening on Stages 2 and 3. Construction has begun on homes within these stages, as well as Hillstowe's very first townhomes. You can see the Stage 3 townhomes are under construction behind me, and we're making great progress on Timbertop Boulevard. This limited release of townhomes in Stage 3 is being delivered in conjunction with Sienna Homes. The townhomes will be equipped with everything our purchasers need to turn the key and move right in upon handover. Roadworks are progressing in Stage 4 as we create new streets such as Everfair Crescent and Clearfell Street. There's also a lot going on beneath the surface in Stage 4, including drainage and sewerage works. This portion of land will be Stage 5. The plans have been drafted and are with the relevant authorities for approval. The space you see behind me will be transformed into the Hillstowe Central Park. The park is the heart of our community, with all homes set to be no more than 5 minutes walking distance from our new green space. Currently, bulk earthworks have been completed. Our landscape contractor has taken possession of the site and has begun works. We look forward to officially opening the park in April 2022. As you can see, there is a lot of activity on site at Hillstowe. We look forward to sharing even more updates with you in the coming months.